Hey friends, today we're going to draw Space Shuttle Going to Earth. Spanish is transportador va por la Tierra. Land to Europe. And Russia is. So it was. Let's draw the space shuttle. Oh, maybe let's draw first the moon. The moon. Let's draw the net here. The moon. This is going to be the moon. Okay, now I'm going to draw like Earth. Drawing Earth. South America, North America. And here's Asia. Okay, let's draw the shuttle. Let's draw the shuttle here. Just for that, for the next part. It starts here. It starts here. It starts here. All around here. Go around here. Go around here, all around. Further over. Not drawing rocket, we just made Space Shuttle Going to Earth. Please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, okay? If you love it, you subscribe. And click to the bell. And KidDraws fun art. And KidDraws fun. And I joined KidDraws fun. I'm drawing this. Okay. I'm doing fire. Finish the fire. Now it's making this pale thing. Sometimes it's called color band. If we can leave it off, no problem. Let's go like here, right here. No, let's start again. Let's look here. The shuttle windows. I'm going two. I'm going two. Two in the top. 16. Let's go NASA. And A S A NASA. Okay, let's draw a US5. 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 Okay, we finished the space shuttle going to Earth. Now we need color for the space. I'm using dark blue. the space. I'm going to paint the Earth using light blue first. And I didn't see space shows in the K Spacer. I watched some in TV. Okay, now I'm painting the continents. Okay. Here. North America. South America. And Europe. Let's go to Europe. I'll go put this all back. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.